He was a humble, kind, amazing human being that would help anyone in need.
Breaking right now, memories of a fallen police officer shared by his loved ones. Just minutes after the men accused of killing him are found guilty and sentenced for their crimes. Good afternoon to you, everyone. We're also streaming live for you on CBS News Philadelphia. I'm Natasha Brown.
And I'm Siaf Lewis. Philadelphia Police Sgt. Richard Mendez was killed back in 2023. Both he and his partner were shot in a parking garage at Philadelphia International Airport.
Well, the murder trial for those two men ended today. CBS News Philadelphia's Joe Holden has been following this case. You were in the courtroom as the verdicts were read. I can only imagine the emotion, especially for this officer's family, Joe.
That's right, and Sergeant Mendez's daughter telling the court that she knew police work was dangerous. Her daddy was supposed to live. All of this over stealing a car.
I love you.
Mia Carrera, daughter of the late Sergeant Richard Mendez, embraces Cydney Pope, the prosecutor who tried defendants Martinez-Fernandez and Pena-Fernandez. A jury late Monday morning found them guilty in the fatal shooting of Sergeant Mendez and Martinez-Fernandez guilty in the wounding of Officer Raul Ortiz. Moments after Mendez's wife Alex Carrera and daughter Mia addressed the court, they spoke with us.
My husband was an amazing human being, and he did not deserve to be shot in the back 3 times. Nobody deserves that, especially not my husband.
Mendez and Ortiz were heading into work at the airport in October of 2023 when prosecutors say the defendants and 2 others were attempting to steal a car. The officers interrupted the theft, Pope telling the court before sentencing the defendants themselves were kids, and instead of surrendering, they chose to open fire. She said it's clear the jury carefully considered the evidence.
Absolutely every single person is going to be held accountable under the law. And we will hold you accountable for your actions and what you did.
Martinez-Fernandez was found guilty of charges of first-degree murder and the murder of a law enforcement officer. Pena-Fernandez was convicted on murder in the 2nd degree. Both were immediately sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Meanwhile, the family of Sergeant Mendez wants people to know the youngest of 4 children, originally from Puerto Rico, was simply a hard worker. His wife Alex, facing the men convicted in his death, said, quote, "They stole from all of us the inspiration he brought from his hard work and dedication." In the end, she says she felt his presence.
I kept hearing my husband saying, "We got this," in my head. We got this. There's no way justice wasn't going to be served. They were held accountable.
Meanwhile, attorneys for now the convicted murderers say they will be filing motions in the coming days with the court. They did not specify what they could possibly be appealing. Live outside the Criminal Justice Center, Joe Holden, CBS News, Philadelphia.
Joe, thank you very much.